Hey, what's going on guys? Ronnie Rocksmith here, coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And I think that I've been called that is because I've been in a band years back and I was the lead singer. So the name just kind of stuck. And if you're interested in checking that out, I think there's some like 2 live videos that you can find on YouTube under my old band, Nasty Tricks. It's spelled nasty and then T-R-I-X-X. If you search on YouTube for Nasty Tricks, the band, you should find, I think, 2 channels. I think I did one, but I don't remember the login details. But it was doing some Skid Row, and we did Candlebox and some Led Zeppelin stuff. It was at a bar where we performed at. It was 2 live shows. But anyway, so welcome to my channel. If you're interested in subscribing, go ahead and subscribe now. And we're gonna basically go over in this video pretty much what's on this channel and what you can look forward to. So everything I have is organized and inside a playlist. So we're on my channel page here. Let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, I do honest reviews and make money online tips, but I do a little bit of other things as well. So as you can see on the popular uploads here, these are various videos. How to turn your closet into a vocal booth. So that was a pretty cool video I did a long time ago. Got 490k views, but the thing is, I never made another video like it. You know, and a lot of people say that you should stick to what people want to watch. But back then I didn't realize, and really I wasn't looking to get a lot of subscribers or whatnot. But yeah, so it's just something to think about. If you want to gain a lot of subscribers, check out your YouTube channel, see what people are watching the most, and pretty much keep doing that, right? But I've never done that. I've always did various things, and it's probably why I don't have as many subscribers as I would like today. We're still learning our craft on what to do, right? So let's check it out, guys. So I have a playlist called Marketing Hacks. So this is everything to do with marketing, different tips and tricks, as you can see here, how to get money online for shopping, email marketing beginners, just all kind of different things. So if you're interested in anything marketing related, check out the Marketing Hacks playlist. So down here, this is my review playlist for Warrior Plus. It's a platform where marketers put up their products such as software or even training videos that they sell, right? So I go and I review their products and I put my review up here. Now also just be aware, guys, I am an affiliate marketer and I have disclaimer links in all of the descriptions, but if you click one of those links and you check out from one of those vendors, then I will get a commission, which helps keep my YouTube channel going as well as my regular affiliate marketing business as well. So it's muchly appreciated. Okay, so let's take a look at another playlist here. So the next playlist I have here is how to do this and that. And then the next one is YouTube tricks. I'm going to be putting more about YouTube in here as well. As you can see here, I only have 3 for now. But some of these are mixed and matched. Because these are how-tos, I also put them in this playlist as well. How to do this and that. But it's just various things in there. I also have a playlist for my music in case you want to check that out. I do solo stuff as well. So you'll find that here. And I'm gonna be doing a new playlist called Tech Gear Reviews, where I'm gonna be reviewing all of my video stuff that I have available on hand. So I hope you enjoy my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And I look forward to reading your comments under my videos.